Hey guys, it's Ben with Larkin Outdoor Lighting, and I'm gonna read a review we got 11 hours ago, it says, and a little backstory before I tell this review. So, we installed Sterling fixtures at this project, which are absolutely incredible, and I messed up, and when I was going to do the quote, I didn't plug in an outlet tester into the outlet we were gonna put our transformer in. And so what happened is we got to the install. I told the lead tech, I was like, hey, that's where the transformer is going to go. And yeah, we set it up, the transformer there. We ran the wire from that area, and we've come to find out the outlet doesn't work. So I'm troubleshooting it. We realized that the GFI outlet is just bad. It's getting power. The or GFCI just is bad, which is pretty common. It's not the end of the world. And so this is what they had to say about us, the Millers. Ben and crew were a pleasure to work with and fixed an unexpected issue in a timely manner. We believe the landscape lighting will be a great improvement on our house. And yeah, I had one of my guys come out 3 hours later, replace a GFCI on that outlet, and then I came back that same night. We did the final adjustments with them. They were super stoked about the lights, and yeah, that was kind of an interesting review and an interesting situation that happens to us. So thanks everybody. It's Ben with Larkin Outdoor Lighting, and I'll see you guys next time.